Don't give up on me, darling. Ate Bianca will still see you. Baby. Doc, pwede mo explain kung ano yung situation niya ngayon? Kasi yung daughter ko sa PBB siya ngayon, di ba? Yan, gusto ko sana inform sa kanya na yung condition ng health niya. Kasi for me, mas importante kasi family, you know, instead of her staying inside the house. So can you please explain to me her condition right now? Okay, can you take a video of you? Is it okay?
Video? Or ako na po ba voice?
Sige, voice. Okay, bye. Or even, ito, kahit explain na lang natin to. What's going on here?
Yeah,
Or even this one.
so simply, nagkakaroon na siya ng like refract.
For me, she deserves to know kasi talaga eh. Alam mo yun, kung pwede na pull out ko siya sa PBB, alam mo yun. Kasi alam ko mas importante ito sa kanya eh. Kasi sa kung anong career na gusto niya abutin doon. Don't help me pray for her. Kasi if, other medications won't work, then we can just pray for her and, miracles naman, di ba? Kaya, tama naman ako, Doc, di ba? Oh my gosh.